Okay, we're going to demonstrate or test fire the Cincinnati O-8 production mill that we had a little bit of trouble with because we got no start at all. And the label on it says 220 volts, 3-phase. And after a detailed investigation, we found out that it really had been refitted for 480. And when we changed and fed it 480, it worked fine. The big clue was the clean white label and terminals on the control transformer and the new blue wires. Everything else is probably as produced, kind of faded, but that's brand spanking new. And it actually says it wants 600 volts, but it said 480 was good enough when it started running. So let's fire it up and watch it run. There's a nice air vise on it. See that? Air actuated vise. Let's start it up. Kind of noisy, isn't it? So we're going to go ahead and check and make sure it's got enough oil and everything. I thought it did, but no harm in checking again and trying to see what makes that noise. I don't like that noise. This is a rise and fall device because you can get it to cut a profile, which is unusual for a little horizontal mill, but you have to put the profile in with cams. And the cam locker is down here. Wait a minute. No, here, there you go. See those cams? That tell it what profile to cut. As the table moves back and forth or in one direction while your part's on there, the tower will cause the cutter to move up and down depending on what cams you put in. So it's kind of an interesting thing. Now we're going to go ahead and investigate that rough noise.